Hello there. Just wanted to make this short video. I've been fighting this truck. I've had this old truck for a long time. It's a 1999 F-150. The lights have always been foggy on it, and every time I try something new to get the rest of the fog off, it seems to get worse. So at last I found a solution. I'm going to show you the lights, and there they are. Oh. They're nice and clear now, and I'll show you what I ended up doing. Yeah, I bought new ones. I tried cleaning these things how many thousand different ways. I tried all the things I seen on YouTube. It seemed like they would look clean or clear for a little while, and then they just turn white. So that's the answer, buddy. 55 bucks for the whole set. Amazon. And yes, they fit. Okay, here's what's the information on the box. Like I say, I got them through Amazon, but it's from Headlights Depot. I'll let you do the reading. A little bigger here. Made in Taiwan. Okay, there's the difference in them right there. Okay, here's what we need to do. This is on the driver's side. See, there's a screw right down in there. There's the latch. This disconnects, the lights. This allows you to slide the marker light out. I found that it's so much easier to put this back in if you've got the the marker light out. So first thing I'm going to do is loosen this. We'll pull up on this lever. This lever, we'll pull up on this lever. Then I'm going to take out that screw. You see it? It's rusty. I'm going to use this tool. If you got quite as quickly as I thought it would. See, this slides out. Now my lights didn't come with bulbs, so I have to take the bulb out on this one. Okay. There's the old one. There's the new one. I'm just going to look at them and see if these are adjusted even close to the other one. Actually look pretty darn close. I'm going to put a little bit of grease right on these screws, so if I do have to move them once I get it in there. But the point I'm going to show you right off the bat is this one here. This one's hidden. The other one you can get to pretty easily right in here. But this one is almost impossible to get in there. So I didn't want to break it. So what I did on the first one I put in, I just squeezed this little deal and pushed this out of there. Went ahead and stuck this in, and then I shot to hit that one little hole there. It gives you some more room, and it seemed pretty simple, so that's what I'm going to do. So now I got this thing out of here, and I'll have to try to get it in there. But now if you look at it, this slides in like this because you got your hands in there, but once you get it in there, then all you got to shoot for is this one little hole here. This in now. Just go buy new ones. Just go buy new ones. Just go buy new ones.